What's going on, guys? All right, so this might be a two-part video, depending on how long this video, depending on how much I cover. So if look at the time and I see it starting to get like out of hand, I'll just do a second part. All right, so I'm gonna be breaking down CoinMarketCap in this video for you guys. Pretty much as I said, CoinMarketCap is the Yahoo Finance of cryptocurrency, right? So just as if you have a Yahoo Finance app, you also have a you also have a CoinMarketCap app as well. And it just the same exact thing. It's beneficial to have your own profile. Now, with that, you can have a free profile. It's not. I mean, just like Yahoo Finance, you have a free profile. All right, it's you don't have to, obviously you don't have to pay for it, but I mean it's just beneficial to have it because again, like if you want, when I'm gonna go over like the learn section when I get to it, you can earn coins, have that transferred to your wallet, and then so forth. So all right, let me break this down. I'm wasting too much time already. All right, so from the top of the page, it's going to look just like this. So as of right now, we currently have 17,942 cryptos that are available. The exchanges that's also available is 461. You obviously see the market cap, 24-hour volume is here, the dominance. You also have the gas fee. So gas fee also is obviously going to change. It's not going to be the same. I mean, as of right now, you see slow, standard, and fast. And the difference from that is just how much more Ethereum you're gonna have to pay for it. So like obviously, if you want it to be quicker, which is the fast, 45 seconds, it's gonna cost you more gas fee. All right. All right. So going this way now. No, let me continue this way. So obviously, right here it says English. You can change the language to whatever you choose. Dollars USD. That's a currency. You can change this right here, which is the night mode. If I'm not mistaken, it's called night mode. I think it's night mode or dark mode. Dark theme, one or two. But you guys catch my drift and what I'm trying to say. All right. After that, you obviously have videos in reference to like different things going on. So how to connect MetaMask to BNB, how to ride dips. This is a nice education place is here. And again, as I said, it's the Yahoo Finance of cryptocurrency. So the same exact thing. You're gonna have videos going over those things when it comes to stocks. You have the same exact thing going over these cryptos. All right. So if we go down over in this area now, it says today's cryptocurrency price by market cap. So it says which ones are trending, the biggest gainers, recently added, and so forth. So again, that's also beneficial if that's something you want to go with. Actually, no. I'm all over the place. Let me come over here now. All right, so if you click on this right here just brings you back to the home screen of the page. This right here is the currencies, cryptocurrencies. So as you guys can see, it says rank and recently added category spotlight, gainers, laws, and so forth. So you guys can click on it and put however you want to go about it. So recently added, that's what I just clicked on. So it shows you the numbers of coins that was recently added. Right here it shows the top 30. If I go and I click on categories, this right here, well, let me not do that because I'm going to get over to that section. I don't want to do that yet. All right, so Spotlight. Spotlight is what I had just went over it when I clicked the home page, which is right here, the Spotlight. So if we go back to it, it'll just show you which ones are trending right now, which ones are the biggest gainers, the biggest losers so far today, most visited, recently added, and so forth. So if you guys just want to go that route, you can do that. Same exact thing, gainers, losers, global charts, historical snapshots, and so forth. These are all pretty much self-explanatory. If I go over to exchanges, same exact thing. Clicking on this, it tells you how many exchanges are actually available for me the time of recording this or whatever you look at this. Funny enough, Binance actually purchased CoinMarketCap. I believe it was back in late 2020, late 2020, 2021. Well, duh, 2020. This is 2022. Late 2020. CoinMarketCap. No, I'm sorry. Binance purchased CoinMarketCap, so I'm not surprised. That they are the number one exchange on here. They are pretty good, but again, think about it as well. Like if I purchase something, obviously I'm going to give myself the top notch. But again, as I just said, so if you go to exchanges, you go to different ones that are here. They show you all the exchanges that's available. You can obviously like click on the exchange, go to the website. It shows you everything about that, the currencies and so forth. So that's beneficial because that lets you know like how to actually go about it. So if you guys, especially for those who are in New York, if you need help when it boils down to it, just go to CoinMarketCap, click on the exchange, right? Click on the website. If you're able to get it, good. If you're not, go to the next one. We're currently at four. Wow, this might be a three-part video. Damn. All right, so this is the first part right here. I'm going to end this now and give you guys a second part. All right, so part two of this CoinMarketCap breakdown. All right, I just went over exchanges. So now right here is NFT. I'm also going to give, I'm going to put it in the NFT channel of this Discord, but I'm going to add like what are NFTs. I'm going to go show you guys OpenSea, how to go about navigating that, get your own coins, not coins, get your own NFTs and so forth. But even on this, right? You click NFTs, it says overall stats, which you guys, if I click that, it shows you which ones they are. Top collectors, upcoming sales, upcoming sales, all these things is like it's beneficial, right? And the great thing about it is that again, you can obviously click on the Discord. So if you like interested in this NFT, click on the Discord. You go involved with it. It has the actual Twitter website for it. It has an overall website for each one. So it's also beneficial. Um, and again, like even with that, it's a great way. I'm gonna go over NFTs separately and show you guys like how to go about it correctly. Not correctly, but just like a detailed breakdown because I'm not gonna do it for this video. Same as I think you have Crypto Town, which again all this shows you is like different news and everything that's for it. Like obviously my profile is I don't really use it, so that's what that's for. Same exact thing. Watch list. If I have one, it'll come up on here. Products, same exact thing. Products is beneficial because if you want to go buy it, like it shows the mobile apps. It shows like things you can airdrop. So airdrop is beneficial because it's pretty much like a free cryptos. So from there you go to airdrop if you want to learn more about that or even a product that's coming out. Again, it's self-explanatory. So and that's another reason why I'm speeding things up. So obviously it says Battle Hero. It shows number of winners so far, total airdrop amount, and shows you when it ends. So you guys can actually click on it if you want to be involved with this airdrop. You can get involved in it. For this one, as of right now, it has 5 hours left. It shows you different upcoming upcoming airdrops as well. So these are all like airdrops, rewards, earn crypto. So earn crypto, same exact thing as I was just telling you guys. Well, I wasn't just telling you guys, I forgot, but yeah, same exact thing. So like not CoinMarketcap. Coinbase has its own earn and learn. CoinMarketcap has the same exact thing. So I mean, it just shows you watch videos, complete quiz, earn crypto. So you guys can look at all the cryptos that's available to earn, and once you earn it, you can have it sent to your wallet, and then once it's into your wallet, you can transfer it to however you choose to please, because again, it is yours now. Then we have oh yeah, ICOs. So calendars. Calendar is beneficial because like ICOs. So ICOs, all that pretty much is just like oh my gosh, why is it so hard for me to say this right now? ICO is intentional coin offering, initial coin offering. Wow, that was so difficult for me to say right now. But even that too. So what it is where am I at? Oh no, that's not it. Let me go back here. All right, so ICO is pretty much it's the same as like an IPO for stocks, but instead of IPO, it's ICO, and it's just for cryptos. So that's really what it boils down to. And again, same exact thing. The calendar it shows ongoing projects, upcoming projects as well. If you want to guys look at that, I'm not going to scroll through this whole thing and show you that, but that's exactly what it is. And also same exact thing with events calendar. If there's different events that's coming up when it boils down to crypto, it's here, and you all can just like scroll down and see it. All right, so if we click this CoinMarketcap, as I just said, it comes back to the home screen page. We still got time. All right, so now what I'm going to do is break down all this stuff as well, right? So as of right now, I mean cryptocurrencies. So right now it just shows. Let's do this. Let's do. Yeah, that's a good start here. Right now it's cryptocurrencies. So right, so with here it obviously shows you all the cryptos ranked, right? Because that's what we have it at. We have it at ranked. I can put rank in here and then change it and so forth. So as of right now, in this, I don't think this will ever change. Bitcoin is currently number 1. Ethereum is currently number 2. You have Tether, BNB, USD Coin, XRP, and so forth. So again, this is over I think like 17,000. Yeah, over 17,000 cryptos. I'm not going through each coin, through each page, but just showing y'all exactly what it's about. And if you click on it, let's say I'm not gonna click on Bitcoin. Let's click on something like no. Let's do it that way. All right, so let's say we click on BNB, right? So we click on BNB, and the great thing about it is that when you click on the actual coin, it shows everything, right? It shows the actual website, which is Binance.com. It shows the explorers, the community, if you want to go to like a Twitter page with it or Reddit. And that's also how it's able to beneficial. No, that's also how I'm able to do more research on certain coins. So like, because all you have to do is go to either Twitter or Reddit, and majority of ones that I love and I'll be posting for you guys, I just go to Reddit and I find out, what people are talking about it, put it into my own words, see exactly what makes sense. If it makes sense, good. If it doesn't make sense, then I won't share it with you guys. Damn. All right, so I'm gonna do a third part for this video, and that should wrap everything up. All right, part 3. This should be the end all to it. So same exact thing with what it shows you everything that's going on with it. Let me do like poly. Let me do that. All right, this is even better. All right, so the reason why I chose one instead because it shows you the white papers of the actual coin. So before you invest into any coin, you want to look at the white papers to see exactly what's going on with it, right? And all that shows is usage, why it's there, like why it's created and so forth. So that's beneficial. And another thing too, like if you want to buy it, you can obviously do that. If you want to go to exchange, see which ones is actually on it, you can scroll down, right? You can click it that way, but you can just scroll down, also read more. But you can scroll down and it'll show you the exchanges that actually offer Polygon or Matic. So that's also beneficial. So if you want to go that route, you can go that route as well. Um, Let me go back to here. So 'cause that's pretty much what it boils down to this. Now, categories, same exact thing. You have different categories that boils down to it. So if you want to look at coins that deal with sports, deal with music, meme coins, which obviously Dogecoin is up. Dogecoin is number one on that, right? Who's surprised about that? Like meme coins, like different categories that boils down to what you're wanting to look for, like staking and all that stuff. These are all here, so you just have to like take time and scroll through it. I'm not going to do that right now. That's not the purpose of this. All right, so if we go to like DeFi, this shows you different coins that deals with DeFi as well. So same exact thing. Like, and this is other reasons why I chose to invest into these coins. So you guys want to go this route, you can do that as well. Same thing with NFTs, coins that go towards NFTs, coins that go towards Metaverse, Polkadot, and so forth. So all that is beneficial. And then like if we were to click on a coin, this is how you actually go about reading it. Same thing like with TradingView. It's pretty much powered by TradingView, if I'm not mistaken. It is though. It is. But besides that too, like it shows you like an overview, it shows you the market, historical data. Same exact like Yahoo Finance. It has the holders, project info, wallets. That you're able to purchase it on and hold it. You have the news for it, the socials. If you want to learn more about it, it's ratings, the analysts. But let's just go back to overview, just to break this down real quick. So you guys know how to read the chart already. I'm not gonna go top down analysis with that. Um, yeah, this is it within USD, so it's based off of the dollar. If I base it off of Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin's current price, it'll obviously look. Let me move this out the way. It'll look different, but I'm not gonna do that either. Again, social shows like people are talking about it. If you want to do the conversion, current price is $2.73, so that's exactly what it would be. How you feel about it? Blah blah, all that stuff. I just went over that. You guys know how to read all of this already as well. Like this is all self-explanatory. Y'all know how to do that. I'm not gonna break that down either. Went over the socials. Went over that. Went over the exchange to purchase it from. I went over news. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now that I think about it, that's pretty much the whole breakdown of CoinMarketCap.